Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video, as you can see, I have this very short bob wig on. This is actually a 5x5 glueless closure wig, and it is 10 inches or 12. It may be 10 or 12, but I'll let you guys know during the video, and I'll let you guys know all the details about this wig. Like, it was super easy to throw on because it is a throw-on wig, but I'll be showing you guys how I make this wig look very realistic as possible with all my little tips and tricks. This is something very out of my comfort zone because usually the shortest that I'll go up to is like maybe here. If you guys want to see how I install this super easy glueless throw-on wig and make it look realistic as possible, then just keep on watching. The hair is from QVR Hair, and this is my first time trying out their wigs. I'm glad the hair came in a box. It looks very professional. Presentation means a lot to me, so I appreciate when hair brands do that. Once you get the hair, you will receive a thank you card, a little pouch, an edge brush, and a edge band. Usually I don't wear makeup before installing a wig, but since this is a throw-on wig, my makeup's already done and all I have to do is prepare my hair. My hair has grown really fast within the past year and a half. I just have my hair slicked back and I'm just bobby pinning it. I'll leave a tutorial down below on how I prepare my hair before installing a wig. Look at my waves though, I haven't seen my hair like that in a minute. This is how the hair looks with the lace. As you can see, the lace is pre-cut, the knots are already dyed, and there's not much that I need to do to it. As you can see around the wig, it does have an adhesive type of grip to it, so it doesn't easily slip off your head. And it also has this adjustable strap, and it has the same material on it. You can't take it off, but I decided to leave mine on. They have this wig in 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14 inches. But in this video, I'm showing you guys the 12 inches. The hair texture is straight with a swooped bang. The hair density is 180%. The color is natural black, even though it kind of has like a light brown tint to it. But it says it's natural black. It can be dyed and restyled, and it can last up to 1 more year. Right now, I'm just fixing up the hair and deciding what else I need to do with it. I'm just hot combing my hair to minimize the flyaways. I couldn't find my wax stick, but if I were you guys, I would definitely go in with that first, then with the hot comb. I will have the products linked below, including the hot comb, the wig, everything that I'm just using in this video. I didn't put any type of products in it, but look how it sways like that. That's how you know that this is a really good wig and it's not stiff. Right now, I am cutting some of the excess lace because it was peeking out a bit, and like I said, we're trying to have this wig look realistic as possible. I wasn't planning to do that, but I'm glad that I did because now it looks way better. Now I'm going in with the edge brush that they gifted me and some edge control. I'm going to be fixing up my edges since they kind of messed up while I was applying the wig, or they just moved, so I'm just fixing them up a bit. I recommend you guys laying your edges because that can help make the wig look realistic and it helps blend in the lace better. I noticed when I don't do that, I can still see like a little bit of that lace, and honestly my hair is getting too long. I did have to take them down and not pinned up. I had completely hid them underneath my top. Make sure you guys have your braids very flat and just your hair very flat. Throw on and go wigs like this are best during the warmer times, spring and summertime, all year round if you don't really like doing wig installs like that. But yeah, this wig is literally perfect for this summer. Whenever you don't feel like wearing it anymore, all you have to do is take it off, fix your hair a little, and it's not even gonna interfere with your makeup. I have a few more touches that I need to do, so I am cutting off some of the excess lace again. Then I decided that I'm gonna use some of my edge fixer to fix the flyaways. Literally, I could not find my wax stick for the life of me, but that's a really good hack. Use your edge fixer to lay down your flyaways. The last step that I'm going to do in order for this hair to look very realistic is to add some mascara on the wig hairline, and that's just gonna blend it in, and it's gonna look like it's coming from my scalp for the most part. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer on the part so it can match my skin tone better. And this is the final result with the hair. I'm so glad that I left the bottom part of the hair alone because it really gives it more of a personality when it's like bumped at the end, you know what I mean? So yeah, if you guys want to know my final thoughts and opinions, stay tuned towards the end of this video. This is the final look. I really love this hair. One little thing I don't like about it is that it does shed. Besides that, like, this hair is looking real good. If you guys love beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content, any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys would definitely love it over here. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. Do not forget to like and subscribe because we are almost at 50,000 subscribers and it means so much to me. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.